Hello and welcome to this unit on the theory of evolution. This first lesson is focusing on Charles Darwin 1.1. My name is Lauren Davis. I am one of the instructors of this class. So when we talk about the theory of evolution, we have to talk about its father, and the father of the theory of evolution would be Charles Darwin. Here he is, two pictures of him, one younger in life, one later in life. The younger one is when, probably about the time he was journeying around the world on his global trip on the HMS Beagle. Her Majesty's ship is what HMS stands for, and he was the naturalist of the expedition, meaning that he went wherever they stopped. He studied the life, the plant and animal life of wherever they went on this journey. Basically, his theory says that the theory of evolution, that organisms do change over time, that the small changes in the adaptations that an organism has to its environment will change actually over long periods of time into new species. Okay, and this all occurs by his theory of natural selection, where some members of the same species are a little more fit to survive in the environment, and sometimes the environment may change, causing that fitness that organism has to be passed on to the next generation, and those who are not as fit will not pass their genetic code on to the next generation. Over time, whole new species may occur. And so he did this based on his observations as he went around the world of different species of animal and plant life. So the Voyage of the Beagle was in 1831, and you can see the path that the Beagle took, and drawing a representation of the ship that he was on as he cruised around the world and stopped in many places, made many observations of the plants and collected plants and animals and other things from the environment in order to study. He was also very, he knew the different theories of how plants and animals and geologic events happen throughout the life, the history of the earth. So he took all the information that he already knew, plus the observations and the collections that he did as he went around the world, and pieced together this theory of evolution based on the works of other men at that time and his observations. So basically, these are the elements of Darwin's theory. As we already said, species can change over time. The second part is the Earth is very old, and the Earth is always changing, and because it's changing, it causes the species to have to adapt to new changes in the environment, and as the Earth changes, the species change also, and organisms are always struggling to survive for existence, and they're struggling with competing against species of their own kind and other species who are vying for the same resources as other species. So some species are more fit, okay, and variations in the organisms of the same species can give that organism an advantage over the other organisms, and better able again to pass their genetic code on to the next generation. And so this natural selection is the theory where that actually species can change over long periods of time.